Field data is often fragmented, while vast volumes of technical documents and drawings remain underused. At the same time, conventional safety monitoring offers only limited visibility, making it difficult to prevent unexpected accidents and downtime. Isaac Engineering's Altivis AI overcomes these challenges with intelligent AI agents built for the field. Its AI analyzes complex drawings and manuals in real time, while Vision AI instantly detects worker movements and potential hazards, issuing alerts without delay. Going beyond isolated monitoring, Altivis AI fully integrates facility operating status, engineering drawings, and AI camera feeds into a single dashboard. Combined with existing legacy systems, it enables every on-site situation to be monitored more intuitively, comprehensively, and in greater depth. This reduces reporting time by more than half and supports standardized operations and crisis response, regardless of individual skill level. Move towards safer operations and smarter decision-making with Altivis AI, Isaac Engineering's data-driven manufacturing AX solution. This is the Smart Factory integrated dashboard, where facility uptime, PNID drawing status, and real-time field events analyzed by Vision AI can all be monitored intuitively on a single screen. Now, let's go beyond monitoring and make intelligent use of the vast volume of technical documents used in the field. When a PDF operating manual for specific equipment is opened in the document management system, the AI on the right panel immediately begins its analysis. It automatically identifies and extracts the purpose of the document, key risks to be aware of, and important keywords, dramatically reducing the time engineers need for advanced review. Users can also ask questions directly through the AI chat function. After selecting the manual as a reference document, they can simply ask, "What is the purpose of the equipment described in this document?" In an instant, the AI navigates dozens of pages to find the most relevant information and deliver accurate answers that match the user's intent. It can also respond to more detailed follow-up questions, such as when a push stick should be used for operator safety, or what the key specifications of the equipment are. To ensure reliability, every answer includes the exact page number and source reference, minimizing hallucination and improving trust. Experience a new level of innovation with your own intelligent engineering assistant fully equipped to understand and utilize even the most extensive technical manuals.